Imagine a school where academic excellence is a journey, not the goal. Where you learn to keep going long after you think you can't. Where music makes you stronger and sports gentler. A school which draws from the best in the world, where morals are as important as mathematics, where they teach you not only how to learn, but how to live, where Indian values are preserved along with the appreciation of modern thinking and methodology, where every child is gifted with a global thinking.
I've always been the kind of girl that held my face, so I'm afraid to tell the world what I've got to say. But I have this dream right inside of me. I'm gonna let it show. It's time to let you know.
Imagine a school which makes all students to rise with self-belief,
I'm exactly where I'm supposed
to stand
be
with
now.
confidence,
Gonna let the light
to dazzle
shine
with their
on me.
brightness,
Now I have found who I
to
am.
score
There's no
their
way
sharpness,
to hold it in.
to deal with
Here
discipline
I am, here
and to
I
aim for the top.
be. This is me.
And all these imaginations come alive with Dalam's Sunbeam.
इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना.
Mrs. Deesh Ishrat founded Sunbeam in 1972 and eventually, in memory of her late husband, founded Dr. Amrit Lal Ishrat Memorial Sunbeam School or DALAMS in 1993 in Varanasi, the hub of education as a way to human development.
Dalim Sunbeam group of schools are imparting scientific and world-class education to the students through CBSE pattern. For the holistic and all-round development of the children, we collaborated with these eminent head organizations like Edurite Pearson for smart classes and audiovisual classes, HelpAge India to help old and poor people, Speak Mackay to create music and culture in youth.
हम मेरे भगवान के मिलन हो गए, किसी को पता ना चले. अच्छा, मन के भेष बनाओ. ठीक है, पाँव में खड़ुआ रंग भदौआ कपड़ा, गले में गठरमाला, माथ में चंदन, हाथ में कमंडल.
Jodo Gyan and Abacus to create mathematical skill among the students, focus technologies, English language lab we have in all our branches. We are out and out to render the best possible world-class exposure your child ever had.
It was a vision that saw education not just transforming an individual life, but transforming life of millions. And it surely did. Today, the history of Varanasi flows with the education at the lineup of Dalam's Sunbeam.
As far as the faculty is concerned, and they are very helpful and very cooperative to the students. Even extra classes are being called for the wards to help them. So it's a really Wonderful.
And as far as grooming is concerned, my child was very shy and timid. Now he actively takes part in all the activities. He is very happy to come to school.
Dallams is very great school. यहाँ पे बच्चों को प्ले वे मेथड से ड्रामा, डांस, म्यूजिक सब कुछ इतना इजीली सिखाया जाता है जो हम घर पे नहीं सिखा पाते हैं। मेरा बच्चा यहाँ पे बहुत खुश रहता है और जब मैं उसे स्कूल में भेजती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है मेरा बेबी बहुत सेफ हैंड में है।
दादी अम्मा मान जाओ, दादी अम्मा मान जाओ, छोड़ो जी गुस्सा जरा हंस के दिखाओ, दादी अम्मा मान जाओ, दादी अम्मा मान जाओ।
It focuses to be a global knowledge destination one day and has grown up with versatility and excellence into 8 major branches in the city. Rohania, Ram Katora, Orbit Block of Sigra, Paharia, Mehmoorganj, State-of-the-art hostel at Rohania. Each branch of the school is blessed with sports facilities, student-centered learning accompanied with library where students explore a new world. Highly equipped laboratories where inventions are born every day. iClassrooms, where learning is more than imagination. It is about visualization. Along with dozen of language labs, hobby classes and many other activities, with the support of cooperative teachers who make little touts to bloom one day.
Education cannot be confined to a definite sect of people in the society. Education has no limits. Education has no boundaries. We have brewed from the best of the ideology that our founder parents brought into this city, the holy city of Varanasi. The team of Dallams Sunbeam is highly qualified, is highly motivated, and they are always striving for excellence. We believe in giving our students an exposure to global thinking.
Dallams' separate girls and boys hostel accommodation makes students feel like they're home and pals like family, where they are taken care
यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो राज़दार बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार